to transfer stocks from one Robinhood account to another. It's essential to understand that direct transfers between accounts are not supported by Robinhood. However, there is an alternative method that can be used. Although it comes with a significant cost, the first step is to contact Robinhood's customer support to inquire about transferring stocks between accounts. If they are able to facilitate the transfer, it will be the most cost-effective option. If customer support is unable to assist, an alternative method involves opening another brokerage platform, such as Charles Schwab or another preferred platform. Once the new platform is set up, navigate to the Transfers section and select the option to transfer stocks. Then choose Robinhood as the source account. To complete the transfer, certain requirements must be met, including a minimum account balance of $500 and a cash balance of at least $75. After entering the Robinhood account number, which can be found in the profile section of the Robinhood app, select the transfer type, either full or partial, and answer the required questions. The transfer request will then be submitted, and the process can take up to 7 days to complete. Once the stocks have been transferred to the new brokerage platform, they can be transferred to the second Robinhood account. To do this, log in to the second Robinhood account, navigate to the Transfers section, and select the option to transfer stocks from the new brokerage platform. Enter the account number and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. This method is more expensive due to the double fees incurred from transferring stocks from Robinhood to the new brokerage platform and then to the second Robinhood account. It is highly recommended to first contact Robinhood's customer support to explore the possibility of a direct transfer, as this will be the most cost-effective option. If this is not possible, the alternative method can be used, but be aware of the additional fees involved.